Good morning. Today is Friday, August 9th, 2024. I am here at Lamb's Yacht Center, and this is SeaSons. This is an after video for the hull cleaning, but before I show you the hull cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and name off all of your zincs. You have two 2-inch shaft zincs, two R4s that are on the struts holding up the prop shaft. You have two size CDE spur zincs. You have two R3 rudder zincs, two R4 trim tab zincs. Sorry, I have those backwards. Two R4 rudder zincs and two R3 trim tab zincs, and one DP612. Alright, let's check out the hull cleaning now.